what was the real yield. Well, we can solve that equation. 1 plus real is equal to 1 plus nominal divided by 1 plus inflation. Once you find 1 plus, getting the real is not a problem. Or real equals minus 1. So in this specific example, 1 plus the nominal yield, 20%, divided by 1 plus 12%, or 7.14%. You're probably thinking, why isn't it 8? Well, that's an approximate solution. You know, if you get stranded on a Pacific island with no internet, no computers, and to pass time, and you don't have a volleyball. Some of you guys are too young to know that reference, I guess. The movie Castaway, Tom Hanks. What was the name of that volleyball? Wilson? Yeah. You don't have a volleyball, you need to pass time. Well, you can calculate real yields. Well, that would be a quick way of doing it, 8%. When nominal and inflation are relatively small, that approximation is very good, but otherwise it's not. In this day and age, we have computer, we have Excel. It's not a problem. Let's think about the meaning of that real. Return or yield. Suppose you're someone who measures his or her wealth in gallons of gasoline they can buy. Last summer, this kind of summer, I guess, after the war was started, a gallon of gasoline was, it's around here, $5. Okay, and you could have bought 20 gallons of gasoline with $100. Instead, you invested that into, let's see, exactly 1 year ago, Google stock bought at come on, 1 year. You bought it at 130. So 100 minus 130 shares. Now at, let's call it 95. That means your original $100 investment in Google became 0.7692 times 95. You lost money in nominal terms. In fact, your nominal yield is about negative 27%. You lost 27% of the money you invested. Now I'm going to show you that in real terms, you actually made money, may have made money. Now, a gallon of gas is $3, depending upon where you buy it. How many gallons of gas can you buy now with your Google investment results? Well, I'm down to 73.07, but I can buy 24.36 gallons of gas compared to 20 gallons last year. This is what we mean by in real terms. I mean, gallon of gas is something real. So my real yield is 24.36 divided by 20 minus 1. And that's a positive, not a negative. The reason is, in this case, the inflation, which is the high and negative inflation rate for gasoline prices. We went down to $3 from 5. That's negative 40% inflation. So just because in nominal terms you lost money does not necessarily mean in real terms you lost money. It depends upon how much the inflation was. And as you know, the inflation was pretty high the last year or so. So if you had invested into short-term bonds, I mean, you were losing money left and right in real terms. That's why the economy is still too hot. Think about it. The short-term interest rates are 5% now, and inflation is still running around 6. So the real interest rates, if you borrow at 5, and if you expect inflation is going to be 6, real interest rate is still around negative 1%. So somebody's actually paying you money to invest. Well, if that's the case, people are going to keep investing. That's why it takes a while for Fed policy to slow down the economy. And it looks like we're going to hit at least 5, probably 5.25 in the interest rates, in short-term interest rates. I'm going to stop here for today. Come to class next Monday, having read chapter 6. There's a lot of descriptive stuff, but we're going to talk about different kinds of bonds. Why are they useful? Why are they not useful? How to put everything together and solve problems. All right?